Hi everybody, welcome to another video here. Today I'm going to show you how to create a masterpiece, kind of like Franz Klein in style, like under a couple of minutes. Now he's getting all crazy with all the brush strokes and stuff. Let me show you a fast, easy way to do it. Here we go, guys. Just two colors, well, two tones, black and white. Okay, so here we go. That's all you gotta do. Very carefully draw your pattern. That's it. Just like that. It's a nice little piece. Already as it is, it's already cool. We're gonna add a little bit of white, not a lot. Only to incorporate grays where we kind of need it. That's it. That's a lot of paint already. Now, the secret is to use a wide brush. This is a spatula brush, and this is a wide number 4-inch brush. Now you want to use a wide brush, but what's more importantly, that you don't use them wet. Make sure they're dry. Okay, here we go. Under a minute, Franz Klein. Glad you guys liked it. Peace out. Take a look at this. It's got such great movement. It orchestrates grays and blacks together. You can just see it. It's just wonderful movement. There you go, guys. Under a minute. Peace out.